So today I'm reviewing this professional makeup brush kit, which includes 20 makeup brushes and one makeup brush case. This is the box that it comes in, and the smell of paint is really strong in the box, so be aware if like that bothers you. But this one also smells like, I don't know how to describe it, but it has like a smell. Hopefully it goes away in a few days, so be aware right when you open it. And I really like how it comes with like telling you what brush is what, since especially if you're like new to makeup brushes and all that, you don't know what brush does what. And wow, these brushes are really soft. This is what you get inside. Give me a minute. I really like how they're all individually packed up. And here is how one brush looks. I like the heavy handle. It's pretty heavy. It's not like so super heavy, but it's not like super lightweight either. And it's like the brush is really soft, and none of the hairs are coming out, which is really good, because like some makeup brushes, like the hair comes out really easily, but these don't, which is really nice. It also comes with this brush. Dust comes out of this one, but like overall the hairs are not coming out at all. So yeah, definitely do recommend this. Especially, this is like a good travel case. If you're gonna be on the go and you need like makeup brushes, this is definitely your go-to.